Hello, hope you're doing well. Today we'll be discussing question and answer of chapter 1 Nationalism in Europe. Question number 1 of discuss subject history class 10th. I'm Neha, so let's begin with the video. Question number 1, explain what is meant by 1848 revolution of liberals. What were political, social and economic ideas supported by the liberals? In year 1948, parallel to the revolts of poor, another revolution was happening underway, led by educated middle class. The unemployed, the starving peasants and workers in many European countries experienced this revolution of liberals. Events of February 1848 in France had brought about abdication of monarch. So abdication of monarch, abdication is a type of resignation. That is when a king or another person in power gives up that position, they abdicate. Such an act is then called as an abdication. So abdication is, that is, the king is giving up the power. So abdication of monarch and the republic based on universal male suffrage had been proclaimed. So proclaimed is announced publicly or officially. So universal male suffrage had been proclaimed. In other parts of Europe where independent nation states did not yet exist, such as Germany, Italy, Poland, Austro-Hungarian Empire, men and women of liberal middle class combined their demands for constitutionalism with national unification. So the parts of Europe where independent nation states did not exist, men and women of liberal middle class combined their demands for constitutionalism, that is, formation of a constitution, with national unification, that is a constitution which is liable to or which is applicable to entire nation, which is responsible for national unification, that is equality among all its people. They took advantage of growing popular unrest to push the demands for creation of a nation state on parliamentary principle, a constitution, freedom of press and freedom of association. So they wanted a constitution, they wanted freedom of press. So what is freedom of press? Freedom of press or freedom of media is communication and expression through various media, that is including print and electronic media, should be considered a right to be exercised freely, as if we can speak, that is similar to right of expression, that is we can speak, we can write anything. It should not be censorized. And freedom of association, so freedom of association is individuals right to join or leave groups voluntarily, and the right of group to take collective action to pursue the interest of its members. So the right to join any group, the right to form any association, that is freedom of association. So uh, they pushed, because of the popular unrest, they pushed their demands for creation of a nation state on parliamentary principle, that is constitution, freedom of press and freedom of association, that is one can join any party or any association. The issue of extending political rights to women was a controversial one, as if it was debated a lot. It was never accepted so easily. One within the liberal movement, in which large numbers of women had participated actively over the years. So women were struggling for it for years. Women had formed their own political associations, founded newspapers, and had taken part in political meetings and demonstrations. So the rights to women was a controversial issue. Large women have participated actively over the years. Women had formed their own political associations, newspapers, taken part in political meetings and demonstrations. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.